Milwaukee is known for making professional-grade power tools and job site equipment. These tools are commonly used by electricians, plumbers, mechanics, carpenters, HVAC technicians, and serious DIYers. While Milwaukee tools are well respected for power and durability, they are usually priced higher than many competing brands. That's why Black Friday is one of the best times to buy Milwaukee tools. Home Depot is currently offering several Milwaukee tools at deep discounts, including complete kits with batteries and chargers for under $100. These deals allow you to get more value compared to buying tools separately at normal prices. In this video, we'll go over 5 of the best Milwaukee tool Black Friday deals under $100 available at Home Depot right now. Availability is limited, and some items may sell out quickly. 1. Milwaukee M18 Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit -$99, 50% off. The M18 Oscillating Multi-Tool is a versatile tool used for cutting, sanding, trimming, scraping, and material removal. It can be used for remodeling, repairs, flooring, electrical work, and general maintenance. Key details: 11,000 to 18,000 oscillations per minute. Cuts faster than many competing models. Constant power technology maintains speed under load. 12-speed dial for control. Tool-free blade changes. All-metal gear case. Built-in LED light. Included in the kit. Oscillating multi-tool. 1.5 Ah M18 battery. M18 charger. Sanding pad, sanding sheets, and a wood-cutting blade. At $99, this kit costs significantly less than buying each component separately and is a solid entry point into the M18 system. 2. Milwaukee M12 Fuel 1/2-inch Hammer Drill Driver Kit -$99, 50% off. Hammer drill drivers are designed for drilling into hard materials such as concrete, brick, and masonry. The M12 Fuel model offers solid performance in a compact size. Key details: brushless motor. Up to 400 lbs of torque. Approximately 6 inches long. Weighs about 2.6 pounds. All-metal chuck and gear case. Mechanical clutch. Built-in LED light. Belt clip. Included in the kit. Hammer drill, driver. 2.0 Ah M12 battery. Charger. This drill is best suited for light masonry work, anchors, and tight spaces. It's not meant to replace a heavy-duty hammer drill but works well for compact jobs. 3. Milwaukee M18 Compact 1/4-inch Hex Impact Driver Kit -$99, 50% off. This impact driver is designed for users who want M18 power in a smaller, lighter package. Key details: brushless motor. Up to 1,700 lbs of torque. Length: 4.4 inches. Weight: about 1.7 pounds. All-metal gear case. Variable speed trigger. Up to 3,600 RPM. Included in the kit. Impact driver. 2.0 Ah M18 battery. Charger. Tool bag. This tool works well for fastening, framing, cabinetry, and automotive work, especially in tight spaces. 4. Milwaukee M18 Rover Dual Power Flood Light -$99, 45% off. The M18 Rover Flood Light is a dual power work light that can run on an M18 battery or a standard 120 volts outlet. Key details: up to 4,000 lumens. Multiple brightness modes. Up to 12 hours of runtime with a 5.0 Ah battery. AC and DC power options. 120-degree rotating light head. Built-in handle and hanging options. Impact-resistant housing. IP54 rated for dust and water resistance. 5. Milwaukee M18 RedLithium XC 3.0 Battery 2-pack -$79, 60% off. Milwaukee batteries typically cost a significant amount, which makes this one of the strongest Black Friday deals. Key details: includes 2 3.0 Ah M18 batteries. Compatible with over 250 Milwaukee M18 tools. Built-in fuel gauge. RedLink intelligence for overload and discharge protection. Operates in temperatures below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. This deal is ideal for adding backup power, replacing aging batteries, or starting an M18 system. Final thoughts. These Milwaukee Black Friday deals at Home Depot offer solid value, especially where batteries and chargers are included. Discounts range from 45% to 60%, which is uncommon for Milwaukee tools. If you're looking to add professional-grade tools to your setup or expand your existing Milwaukee collection, this sale is one of the better opportunities of the year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more tool deals, reviews, and Black Friday coverage.